How to gift items or gems on Brawl Stars. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Brawl Stars. Enter a login credential, as in your username and the password of your account, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your specific account, it will land you on this page. Once you're in here, what you want to do is head over to shop. It will land you on this interface. Different items will be available to you. Swipe left and you'll get to see more of it. From here, click on any of the item that you want to send it as a gift. Let's say you want to send this. Well, if the gems are sufficient, click on buy as a gift. Now you have to click on the user that you want to send this gift. Once you click on it, tap on send. Now wait for a while for it to process. After a while, the gift will be successfully sent to the person, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can send items or gems on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.